My name is Devin Cook, and I'm a luxury realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And one of the things that sets me apart from all of the other agents in the Metroplex is the attention I give to each of my clients individually. If you're like most people, then your home is one of your most valuable and most prized possessions. So with that in mind, I seek to make the process of selling your home as easy on you as possible, while at the same time seeking to net you as much money as the market will allow. And after your home sells and we go to find you your next home, I do everything I can to make sure that all of your non-negotiable items are included on the next home that you purchase. And if you've been through a real estate transaction before, then you know that there are a lot of moving pieces and all of that can be kind of overwhelming. But I'll be with you throughout this entire process step by step, so that way we can ensure it goes as smoothly as possible and there's no surprises. And I'm gonna be here to answer your questions day or night and even on the weekends, so feel free to contact me via email and we can set up a time to get on the phone and talk about what your real estate needs are.